Hi everyone, this is Colin from West Cork Beard Company, and we're in week 6 to 8 in How to Grow a Beard series, and our beard is getting bigger. So it's day 55 on my beard kit journey, and if you've been with me since day 0, thank you very much for being on the journey. There's been about 7 videos or 6 videos before this, so this is weeks 6 to 8. Now, a lot of people ask me, what do I have in my beard around this time? And what I have in my beard right now this morning is some beard oil first, and I've gone for some beard butter. As you saw in the last video, I'm after switching over from beard balm when it was a little bit shorter to beard butter because I find it a little bit lighter and a little bit more manageable. So that's what's in my beard now, some oil and butter. And the one thing I've kind of seen in this phase of beard growth is I went from clean shaven to stubble. That was fine. Then after 2 or 3 weeks, it started to get a little bit untidy, so we started using the beard balm, and then it kind of got nice and neat again. But now in week 6 to 8, it started to get a little bit untidy again. So my beard is starting to kind of sprout a little bit more. It's a little bit difficult to kind of keep it calm. So that's where the beard butter comes in. But what I have not done is I haven't gone near any of my beard with a scissors. I haven't trimmed it in any way. The only thing I've trimmed is my lip line. So that's a kind of a little tip for you. Try to avoid trimming it. You want to kind of have those hairs sprouting out, so they will fill out after a few weeks. So like I said, we're at the end of week 8. It's day 55, and what I'm going to do this week, and what I have been doing for the last couple of weeks, is using my beard comb. Now I've shifted from using the beard brush onto the beard comb, and I did do a video with a beard brush versus a beard comb a couple of months back, and check that out if you can, and that tells you why I shift after a certain amount of time from the beard brush to the beard comb. In quick summary is, when your beard is nice and short, you brush it down, but then as your hair is starting to come away from your chin, with the beard brush you have to kind of really push in, and what happens is you kind of push around your chin, and I found that that's given me a little bit of a dip as it comes over, the hair comes over your chin and then moves down. So I want to try to avoid that this time by using the beard comb. And what we're going to do is just obviously just go from the ears to the chin as always, just comb it straight down, out from the mouth as always, just coming straight down. Now with the beard comb, I'm not wrapping around my chin at all. I'm just pushing straight down here, because you just want to get that nice straight beard. For me, I have a little bit of a wave in my hair. I did when I had some hair, and I think I do have a little bit of a wave in my beard, so I'm trying to avoid that if I can. So down from the mouth, again other side, straight down. Now what happens under here? So again, like I said, I'm not going to go around, I'm not going to go down this way. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to come up the other way and almost meet the kind of under the chin hair with this hair here. Or you can do it that way, or you can actually comb down this way. But what I want to do by going up is to get a little bit more fullness around this area. So I'll flick up here, flick up, flick up, flick up, and then come down. And then you're going to get that more of a fullness around this area, more of a shape I found. This is all trial and error. Your beard might be a little bit different, so kind of mix it up, see what suits you best. So that's it. As you can see, the comb still gives you some nice shape. It gets it nice and flat, and like I said, your comb is going to be the thing that you're going to be using now down the line. Every now and then I do brush the sides of my beard, kind of just exfoliate the skin underneath the beard, so I do use my brush on the sides. But around this area now, as it gets longer, your comb is the #1 thing to use. So that's for weeks 6 to 8. Check out the other videos. We're going through all the products, from the beard oil, beard balm, scissors, brush, and now comb. From here, it's up to yourself. You will have to probably go to a barber over the next couple of weeks if it does go a bit crazy. When it goes to a certain length, it is nice to shape it, but at the moment, up to, I would imagine, to about 12 weeks, just leave it. Use your products like butter and balm to control it. Use your comb also to control it, and that should do it. And then after about 3 months, you can shape it slightly and kind of even it up a little bit if you want. So there are my tips for weeks 6 to 8. Hope you're enjoying the videos, and I'll see you in the next one.